This severe tornado was caught on camera ripping its way across the northern Polish countryside in July 2012. The larger outbreak resulted in the death of an elderly man elsewhere in the Pomeranian region that same day, and 10 people were injured by this collective storm, while 400 acres of forest were damaged. One tornado reached 1 kilometer, or 0.6 miles in width, and all of this in a country where tornadoes are significantly rarer than their North American hotspot.
Nie wróci tu chyba, ale...
Weź, on samochód weźmie też do góry.
Nie, ona już nie wróci, ty. Nie, bo tu już jest jasno.
Dawaj! Samochód też weźmie.
Cicho! Kurna ty!
Wynocha, Eliko, jedź.
Szybko!
Weźmy
A tam się
samochód do
kotłuje,
góry.
ty.
Siadaj! Jeszcze się coś nie.
In this footage, you can see the 2021 South Moravia tornado hitting a southern Czech town. Its 140-mile-an-hour winds don't entirely spare the street or home where the person recording lives.
Ty vole, to je... Tak to možná jsme i bez střechy, dívej. To jde sem. To je normální tornádo. Miluno! To jsi neviděl. Dívej. Jak to lítá ty věci. Dívej. Ty vole, to... Milunko, my taky asi přijdeme o to.
Nic si neudělaj, hlavně tam...
Ježišmarja. Nech toho.
5 people perished in this storm, and 150 were hurt. Another 1,000 buildings suffered damage. In one of the villages hit, only 15% of buildings were unaffected by the storm. Just one episode in what was arguably the most visceral natural disaster in Czechia's recent memory. Also of terrifying quality is this video, taped from a mid-rise apartment building in Kaiyuan, China. It shows a severe tornado with wind gusts of up to 130 miles per hour approaching the apartment of the cameraman. The scene as it does so is simply jaw-dropping. During its 15 minutes of life, this tornado went on to kill 6 people, injure 190, and, to varying degrees, smash 4,300 housing units that were home to 9,000 people.
这窗子得塞，又是太吓人了，各位。窗关没？我操！哎呀，他们挖，他全干起来了，旁边，他家的挖。
This tornado was filmed in the Italian city of Mira on July 8th, 2015, when an F4 tornado struck the city. 2 people drive through a residential area as the powerful whirlwind bears down on their position. As the tornado closes the distance between them, the driver tries to reverse out of the tornado's path, seemingly too late to do so.
Sì, ma io ho paura, Dio mio, non è che ci porta via. Papi, papi.
Dai, Dio, dai, passiamo a sinistra, Dio voglia. Dai, che riusciamo a passare, vai in giù da mare, corri.
Sto filmando, madonna, mi sto cagando addosso, un tornado.
Dai, Dio ladro! Dai, che passiamo!
Oh madonna.
Filma.
Sì, sto filmando, Dio. Papi.
Tira dentro, para che coglioni!
Mio Dio. Oh mio Dio. No, papi, sei fermo. Riparo qua dentro.
Gli altri voglio andare piano.
Risponde le segreterie telefoniche di 3, 4, 8, 7, 9, 5, 9, 9, 9, 4. Dopo il segnale acustico, registra il tono. Se riceve un SMS con il messaggio verrà ascoltato, digiti 0 prima di negozare.
Ma sta qua, papi.
E se casca che lotta cosa fermo? Dai che forse va via.
Aspetta, oddio, io mi sto cagando addosso, stai fermo.
Donna vacca.
No, stai fermo.
Although the Twister was at F2 rather than F4 intensity when it passed the recording vehicle, the vehicle's occupants were extremely lucky to retreat when they did, considering that the tornado's only fatality was of a person whose car was thrown by its powerful winds. Speaking the world over, Bangladesh is a major destination for tornadoes. In fact, in 1989, it fell victim to the deadliest tornado on Earth, which killed 1,500 people. This EF-2 tornado, which occurred in March 2013, would be significantly less powerful, but would still take the lives of dozens of people and injure nearly 400 more. To the undoubted anxiety of those watching, the cameraman makes no attempt to run for safety while the camera is rolling, and we don't know what exactly happened after he stopped filming as the Twister races straight for him.
পুরি আল্লাহরে ফান্নারে দেখ কি করতেছে দেখ সিগনো ইয়ার কি দেখা কিছু তো দেখা যাইতেছে না উড়ে গেল গা না উড়ো নাই ঘুরতেছে এটা ঘুরতেছে এটা ঘুরতেছে এটা ঘুরতেছে এটা পত্রিকা কোন দিয়ে ঘুরে ঘুরে এখানে এদিকে না আইতেছে এটা এখন কষ্ট এখন কষ্ট দেখা যাইতেছে কি ফেলাই দিছে
ভাই ব্যান্ডেজ শেষ ভাই আমার ব্যান্ডেজ শেষ ভাই
এটা তো এদিকে আইতেছে না
রুবেল
রুবেল কাপড় সব শেষ
ঘরে
তাম্বু তাম্বু কিছু তো রাখতেছেন দেখ কাগজ দিয়ে মুক্ত করে
3 মিনিট